Hi James, problem set 86 now. This one's really easy, so I'm just going to go over the formula with you. We've been working in square units for quite a while, whether it's area of a parallelogram, triangle, or various kinds of regular rectangles, even including squares. Today it's area of a circle. The formula is going to be area is almost equal to pi times radius squared. The thing to watch out for is radius squared. You've been working with circumference for so long, you might want to pull diameter, or if you do pull radius, you'll forget to square the radius. So this is just a plug and chug kind of formula. If I tell you that the diameter of a circle is 10 centimeters, your first thought is going to be, well, what's the radius, which is half, so radius would then have to be 5 centimeters, and then you want to plug that into your formula. Area is found by taking pi times 5 squared, so that means you're going to use 3.14 times 25. You're going to solve that equation. I guess I should work it out real quick. Add those up. Add up your decimal points. And so area is almost equal to 78 5/10 centimeters squared. So the area problem, no big deal. Now, yesterday, or problem set 85, whenever you watched it, started teaching you about using cross products. That's where I want to give you another example right now. Come down here just a little bit. One of the problems that I'm going to be having you do might be something like this. You might have 5x plus 3 is equal to 20. Oh, let's see, let's go 23. Now, to look at a problem like this, yes, I know I'm not exactly talking cross products, but yesterday I taught you how to isolate your unknown variable. I still want you to start practicing that. My first job here is to get rid of as much on this side of the equation as I can. The place I'm going to begin is right here. So I'm going to do the inverse operation of adding 3. That means I'm really saying 5x plus the original 3, but to isolate this 3, do the opposite. Minus 3, do that to both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. What happens here is that becomes 0, and 5x, we can even think of that as 0. 5x plus 0 is still going to give us 5x when we simplify it. And on this side, we'll get 20 when we simplify it. Now, how can I get the x by itself? If I'm multiplying by 5, inverse, divide by 5. Both sides. So again, show me, even though it seems redundant, show me this. Cross cancel if you can, and you'll get your final answer. And I picked one out so you could have quickly figured out that in fact it was x. So to reiterate, let's try to get rid of the 3 first. Do the opposite, adding 3, subtract both sides. So now we've isolated the 5x equals 20, divide both sides by 5. Okay? Good luck. Send me emails with questions.